Hi, I'm Chief Meteorologist Tony Petrarca in the Pinpoint 12 Forecast Center. You've clicked on the Weather Now link. Some much advertised big changes on the way in terms of temperature and precipitation. First, the temperatures, and feeling more like spring on this Veterans Day. Temperatures that reach the lower 60s, so well above average. And we'll hold on to the mild there tonight, right on through tomorrow morning. So the system that's approaching for Tuesday, we'll start off as some rain during the morning and then eventually switching over to some snow as colder air works in. But we're not looking at a snowstorm. It's the season's first measurable snow. We're thinking maybe a coating. But as far as shovels and plows and snow blowers and things like that, I'm not expecting that. But here's the system across the Midwest right now, and this will approach tomorrow morning. Now, on one side of this front, the air is very mild. Here are the temperatures as of almost 10 o'clock in the evening. It's mild in the 40s and 50s, and then you see the shades of blue and purple indicating the sharply colder air behind it. So this is really a tale of two seasons, a little spring early in the morning, and then switching over to a brief period of wet snow later on Tuesday afternoon. Here's the breakdown starting off this evening and overnight with mainly cloudy skies. With the humidity on the rise, there may be some patchy fog overnight. Now, this is 8 o'clock in the morning. It's already or still in the 50s, so very mild, and the rain just off to our west, who are thinking the precipitation initially rain starting around mid-morning, and then here we are around 11 o'clock in the morning with rain. Temps are still in the 50s as the front crosses through. Watch the temperatures tumble by 2 o'clock. It's still 50 out on the Vineyard, while it's 36 in Pasco, and it's almost at the freezing mark in Hartford. So the back edge of the precipitation, you see the little shades of purple and light blue. That is some wet snow. So we may pick up 2, 3, 4 hours worth of wet snow on the back side of this. This is around 4 or 5 o'clock in the afternoon and evening. At that time, it's starting to pull away with clearing skies, increasing wind, and rapidly falling temperatures. By 11 o'clock, it's already in the lower 20s and getting even colder by daybreak Wednesday. As far as snow, that's it, just a thin coating, and mainly on non-paved surfaces, patio decks, car tops, shrubs. The pavement, it's just the pavement's too warm. So when the snow comes down, it just melts. So the roads are going to be wet both morning and afternoon, but not snow covered during the afternoon, just because the snowflakes will melt. One thing we'll keep a close eye on, as the pavement is still wet tomorrow evening, as temperatures drop, there could be some icy spots. So we'll watch that closely, but as far as snow plows and snow shovels, we don't see that. So mild in the morning with light rain, and then during the afternoon hours, we are looking at initially some wet snow changing over to light snow by mid-afternoon as temperatures continue to drop. By 5 o'clock, 34 degrees. I'm thinking any leftover snow by 6 o'clock in the evening is pretty much gone. So that's your latest outlook on this very changeable next 24 to 36 hours with some rain, some snow, followed by actually near record cold by Wednesday. That's your latest Weather Now update. Thanks for logging in. We'll talk to you soon.